Right, hey, I haven't played Arsenal in about 2 months, so I thought I'd give it a try. Let's see how it goes. This game is like pretty cool. I love it a lot. Oh wow, this is a different sensitivity to what it used to be. Indicator is not supposed to come by any means. Still headshot with it though. This gun is satisfying. Ready? Oof. Oh, I missed all my shots from that. I think. Oh, it's competitive. No. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? The one time it's on competitive. The one time it's on competitive, I joined the game late. Okay. Yes, competitive. Wait, I just need to spam vote competitive.
Competitive. Vote competitive. Vote competitive. Vote competitive.
Okay, that's good. Comp. Okay, let's try and get competitive. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Railgun Rail, no. Oh. I thought I got hit from behind and I was like so confused. Alright, let's just go around here. Come on, peek. Peek. Okay. Oh, and you peek as soon as I'm dead. Alright. Someone's gonna be here. Got it. What? Okay, that's it. I'm going around the side. And I'm gonna backstab them because I can. Where do they all go? Oh no. Headshot. But you didn't see me there. Wait. I'm slightly scared. Okay, let's just casually run around the back. So if they're not there by now. Come on, man. Ooh, little triple kill. Yeah, I said that too soon, didn't I? Let's do a little bit of parkour. Is anybody gonna walk around there? Oh, I don't think so. Oh, someone. Okay, someone's. Fair enough. One thing you can do is you can like. It's pretty hard to do, but let's just vote random. If we just try and get up here, you can get onto this tree, and sometimes if you're actually good, unlike me, you can get onto the roof. Alright, so, well, you get it, but if you're on the roof first thing, and you can get a surprise kill on some people, I'm just gonna spread the word. Please vote competitive, it's so much better than standard. Personally, the knife kill isn't too hard, but like, wouldn't have got knife if you only voted competitive. And you don't get trash weapons as well, like the bow. I experimented with new sensitivity, so my aim is going to be a little off. Okay. Good shot! And one thing with Glacier, you can see through this, so say someone was there, you can just wait for them like that. Okay, I'm second. I win like, let's say 4 out of 5 my games, depending on the server. Let's look through the glass, see a person, let's just... Oh god. Chat. So you see, it is pretty helpful looking through the glass. Oh, I didn't realise he was there. Okay, so he's down here. Oh, he's coming back out. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't have seen him, and I would have died if I couldn't see through that glass. Okay. He spawns right there. Yeah, the spawns are pretty weird on this map. Let's go help my teammates over here. Yep, they're dying. They're dropping like flies. Okay, I'm just gonna wait here and wait for them to come out. I die, but whatever. Okay, so there's people at their spawn. Let's just do a little tap fire so the spread doesn't get that bad. Come on, man. I one hit me from there. Okay, let's look through the glass. No one there. There's one person there. If you get a headshot with this gun, you can one hit people. If you get the headshot, of course. Oh, come on. This gun is kind of terrible at long range. Yeah, no, I don't really like this map. It's just running around in circles. Oh my god, I hate this gun. Come on, die. Okay, thank you. Thank you for dying, my friend. I'm dead. I'm so dead. He has got a shotgun though, so... Oof, got him just about. 2 AFK people. He's 7 kills above me. This guy is pretty good. You can just hold down right click with that gun and it'll like auto fire. It's helpful because I don't really like spamming click that fast. This gun is really good if you hit a shot. So, okay. I still hit 54. This gun is terrible at long range. I'm gonna try and get as close to them as possible. So I'm not gonna shoot now, I'm just gonna... Wait. Oh yeah, I'm dead, yeah. I think we're going to lose this game. Yeah, no. Where are the people? Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, it went through the plank. Bruh moment. Okay, so we're up here. It's just boom boom. 2 in 1. Let's see, yep, there's one person there. He's got the golden knife. No, he hasn't. No! Please kill him. Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay. That's fine. I don't know why he might have knifed someone. He might have got knifed, I mean. I think we'll do one more round. I think we're gonna change my melee. What do I want? Ooh. You know what? Let's shovel some people. I want to keep this cowboy skin. I like it. I like it very much. Oh god. I'm dead, yeah. Oh, why didn't my team kill her? They just wait for me to die. Ah, sad moment. I like how my player holds it. He like holds it like it's a poisonous stick. Oh god. Okay. Everybody has shotguns. This is obnoxious. Die. Oh, more shotguns, yes. More shotguns, and I have a pistol. Okay. I am... Oh. Okay, with this guy... I'm getting pretty trash weapons, but... we can deal with that. Oh. They're every direction. I'm just gonna stay up here and Minigun them down. Okay, so there's a person here. Quickly get his health pot. Hit that guy. I'm in the lead by 2. Is there a person there? Oh god. Oh, how am I still alive? That guy missed all his shots on me. This gun has literally no ammo. Oh, he's behind me. Okay. 5 kills. 4 kills in the lead. Oh my god. Whew. We're still alive. Peek. Oh, I don't like this gun. I killed him. Got your toes. Tagged him 60. I didn't get the assist. Wait, what? What do you mean? What do you mean I didn't get the assist? Headshot him, good. Oh, I thought I had the different gun. I would have killed him. And like survived, because I didn't get the assist. No. Oh no, I got the bow. Bow's not too bad if you get close to one. And aim slightly above the head, but like far away it's impossible. Yeah. Guess what? I got killed by a person that was far away. Oh my god. Oh my god. That guy just got destroyed. That was like, oh, the stars aligned in that one. The stars aligned. Just let me get up on top of there, please. Come on, man. Just let me get on top. Oh god. Oh, come here. Okay, I can get on top now. Jump over here and wait for someone to. No. No! Come here, dude. Come on. Bro, who guards their teammates? No one does that. Oh, I thought I got the win. No. Oh my god, he got it slightly in front of me. You hate to see it. Railgun rail. Okay, we'll do the fun match because if it is railgun with them, it'll be quick. Oh, that was so close. All I had to do was just go like, bruh. Railgun rail. Standard. Okay. I don't really like this map, but that's fine. Okay, if we spawn on this side, then they're probably going to spawn on that side, so let's just die. Yeah, let's just die instantly. Yeah, that's great. That is a sick start. And get shot in the back, because that's an even better start. That's amazing. Okay, yeah, why don't you die and you die? And you should. I hit someone 58. Okay, fair enough. Oh god, I'm dead. I killed someone. And I killed you. Oof. Right, let's just wait here. Okay. Actually, no, they're coming from here. Oh, no, they're not. Okay, he's over there. We know that. Yeah, we definitely know that. Let's not spam because the E spread will get too bad. Oh, I didn't realise I had this trash gun that has 6 shots. Okay, well, we know. Wait, okay, I killed him. Bro, their whole team is up. Some person is spraying with a minigun. Got him. Let's just chill. Die. can't see because of my teammate. Let's just die, almost die. And, okay. Why do I spawn in this? Spawn me on a different side. Please, I would actually love that. Okay, some person is here. Okay, I'm probably very toxic for doing that, but it's my moment, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean to disrespect you like that. No, this guy is really good. Why do I have to get in the server with this guy? Oh! Oh, the whole team is here. Why do I keep spawning here? Are they just like, no, I'm gonna be? Ah, stop spawning there, please. What do you know? I spawn there again. Okay, let's just go down the other side. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you serious? Okay. That was kind of embarrassing. That was slightly embarrassing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.